I, Musisi Musa, in the name of I, Musisi Musa, I swear in the name of the Almighty Allah, I affirm that I will give faithful service to the Council and support, uphold the Constitution of the Republic of Uganda as the law established. So help me God. I, Musisi Musa, swear in the name of the Almighty Allah and affirm that I will be faithful and bear a true allegiance to the Republic of Uganda, that I will preserve, protect, defend the Constitution. So help me God. I, Musisi Musa, affirm that I will not directly or indirectly communicate or reveal any matter, any person which shall be brought under my consideration or shall come to my knowledge in the discharge of my office duty, expect any may be required for the discharge of my duties, or may be especially permitted by the President. So help me Allah.